Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. This is Sunny Kumar Gupta. Today we have discussed about our science class 6 and that's our first chapter. So let us start our class for lecture first.
So my dear students, you also know today start our class, first class of science and first lecture of science with Sanisha. And firstly, it says about topic. It means you also know before starting the class, before starting any new chapter, firstly you know which topic. It means what you read in that chapter. So firstly you pause the video and take the screenshot and write the topics, all topics what you read in that chapter. So my dear student, firstly pause the video and take a screenshot and write in your copy what you read in that chapter. Okay, so let us start our first lecture of science, and that chapter name is sources of food. So my dear students, if you have any book, it means science book, so first chapter food, it means sources of food. So that's topic, whole topic, it means what you read in that chapter. If firstly you write down and that all points, and point by point I also take your class and give you lecture of science, sources of food. So that's the first topic said, food. So my dear students, before classes, it means when you read in class 5th, which teacher have taught you, that also says about food. Okay, it means food is very necessary for us. All living things, all living organisms need food to live and grow. Then if food is not available, then you not grow and not live. Okay, so that's the first topic is food. In that lecture, first topic is food, says about food, what is food and how to get a food. Okay, so that first topic is food. Next topic, need for food. My dear students, if you not take food, after that you die, you will die, because before food you not get energy, after some days you will also die. Is that clear? So need for food, all living need for food due to live and grow. Is that clear? And next topic is type of food. My dear students, that's very important for you. How many types of food? There are two types of food. First, raw foods, and second, cooked food. It means which food we have take by plants, and another types which not cooked. Okay, so that's a raw food and that's cooked food. It means just like you take any types of food, just like rice, after cooking you take, that's the cooked food. And just like example for bread, if you take bread, that's not raw food, that's a cooked food. Okay, just like rice, firstly you take rice, that's a raw food. It means that's a raw material. When you cooked it, after that rice is cooked food. Okay, so next, ingredient food. So my dear student, what is ingredient food, I also taught in that lecture. Okay, so next, sources of food. My dear students, what is sources of food, you read in that chapter. So what is sources of food? Okay, so there are three, just like a three source. And first sources from plant. First point is sources from plants. Which type, how to get foods from plant, that's the sources of plant. It means first esteems. Okay, esteems. Second, leaves, which foods we get from leaves, which foods from get leaves, and which food get from esteems, which food get from flowers, which food get from fruits and vegetable, that's also food. Next, seeds. which foods we have get from seeds, write the some names. Okay, so that's. And another second part is food from animals, write the some foods product that's from animals. So my dear students, you also know milk and milk product, that's the produce from animals, that's the produce from animals. And another thing also, just like which just like meat, eggs, fish, that's the food from animals. Okay, and next third number, neither plant nor animals food product. It means which food we have get neither plants and nor animals. It means which type of food not produced by animals and not produced by plants. Write some points, some names, example, just like iodine. Okay, so that's from neither plants nor animals food products. Okay, and next points is food habits of animals. Food habits of animals. So there are 6 points I write on the board. 6 points. First point, herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. Okay, and next parasites, decomposers and scavengers. So first, what is herbivorous, what is carnivorous, what is omnivorous, and what is parasites, and what is decomposers, and what is scavengers. Okay, so my dear students, that's whole topic, whole points we read in that chapter. Okay, so first take one by one topic and start our class with Shanisha. Okay, so firstly you write down, then we have to start our first topic. What? Food. What is food? Okay, so our next start our class. It means that's the first topic is food. First topic is food. So first food, it means what is food? What is food? So my dear student, you see here, any substance that provides nutrition and energy to body is food. It means if you take which type of food, after that you get energy and start your body grow, that's called food. Okay, so another here, all living organisms and need food to live and grow. All living organisms need food to grow and live. It means if you not take food, after that you can't grow and you can't get energy. Okay, so another point, food is one of our basic need. If you not take food, after some time you will die. Okay, and next, food is essential to live. If you want to live, if you want to survive our life, after that you take food. Okay, so firstly you write down in your copy, that's a food. It means if in your question says write in one statement what is food, so you write here any substance that provides nutrition and energy to body is food. Okay, that's enough. If little bit, if high, just like a write in 15 words, write in 20 words, then you write here. Okay, so firstly you write down here, and next we have start our next point. It means all students write here. It means what is food? That's the one type answer. Just like when question says write in one statement what is food. What is food? Okay, so you write that point. You write that point. If you want to write in notes, make a notes that you write in your copy. Okay, and next topic, need for food. That's a simple. When you read in class 5, that class some questions says just like as why need for food, why need for food. So need for food, live and grow. Need for food, live and grow. If food is not available, if we not take a food, then we can't survive our life. Okay, so that's need for food. It means food help us in various ways. It means if your question says write the help of food, helps of food, so you also write that 4 points. That's the first point says That's first point says food provide us energy. You also know if you don't take food, after that you can't get energy. Next we need energy for different movement like running, walking, playing, etc. If you want to running, firstly you take food. If you want to walking, then firstly you take food. If you want to playing, so firstly you need food. If you don't take food, after that you can't survive our life. If you can't running, walking and playing also. Okay. And next topic says, second number topic says, food provide us materials for growth. It means food is provide to you materials for growth. Materials for growth means when we have take a food, after that we grow. Okay. And third point says food enables our body to fight. It means food help us to fight the disease. And protect us from infection. It means when we take food, then protect our body and fight the disease. It means fight their disease and also protect the infection. If you not take food, just like after next lecture we also know about types of food and why we take food, then fight the which type of food fight the disease, and which type of food protect of us from infections. Okay. And that's the fourth number topic says food enables the body to repair and replace its warm tissues. It means when we have take a food, after that food is repair the body and replace its warm. It means just like you go on way and one times you take just like fracture on your food, then you take proteins. When you take just like milk, meat, eggs and fishes, after that your body is repair and replace worn out tissues. Okay, so food is very necessary. You also know if food is not available, we can't survive our life, we can't grow. Okay, so that's your lecture first. And lecture second we have read about next topic. It means just like here first topic is food, and next topic is need for food, and next topic another ingredient of food, types, sources of food and another types. Okay, so firstly that's a first lecture, and second lecture I will teach you that points. Okay, so you write down your copy. Okay, my dear students, so today's our first lecture complete, and when I start next class and next lecture, next topic I discuss. So you stay home and save your life and continue your study. Okay, thank you.